My testimonial is not for me, it's for the fact that you can get my wife to come along to do exercise. When I first mentioned to my wife that I was going to a personal trainer, she said, "Oh no, you know, one of these gyms don't be crazy people." Janelle now goes every week, and when she doesn't go, she is like a bear with a sore head. You can use injuries, no disrespect, Richard, but you can use injuries as an excuse. But she'll kill me for saying this. She's got a couple of problems, but the way Matt's worked with her is work around the things that she's got, work around the things that stopped her, were an excuse for her in the past to do the things that she needed to do. And now, you know, there's a saying I use: common sense is not always common practice. But what you do and how you train me, how you train my family, is with common sense approach. And there's things that you can do. You don't need to go to a fancy gym. You don't need a whole lot of equipment. It's just about getting up and getting your body moving. And for that, thank you.